Welcome to WordPress, where are image tables stored in WordPress database. In WordPress, images and other media files are not stored in the database. Instead, they are stored in the WP content/uploads directory on the server. However, WordPress does store information about these images in the database. Here is how WordPress manages images. Images are uploaded to the WP content uploads folder. So this is WP content folder. Then we have got uploads folder. Here we see folders based on year. Each year contains month related folders. Inside those folders, we have got images. So images are organized into year and month based folders. Now the question is, how does WordPress display these images from these folders? How WordPress links these images to relevant posts and pages. This is where database is needed. WordPress stores metadata about images in the database, mainly in the WP_posts and WP_post meta tables. Here, metadata means image title, alt text, file URL, file type, image size, and other information about images. To see WP_posts table, click on database. From the left side, select WP_posts table. Here each uploaded image is stored as a post with the post type as attachment. This is post type column. And here we see the attachment. That means it's an image. Also the GUID column contains the image URL. Now we have got WP_post meta table. WP_post meta table stores metadata like WP attached file and WP attachment metadata, such as this WP attached file. This is the file name with extension and WP attachment metadata. It includes image sizes, thumbnails, and more. Now there are other related tables as well, such as WP terms relationships and WP options. WP term relationships table is used if images are categorized using taxonomies. And in WP options table, WordPress stores some media settings. To retrieve images from WordPress database, you can run a SQL query like this. Go to database, click SQL. Here type this. Select static from WP_posts, where post_type equals attachment. Click go. And here are all the images displayed. Post type attachment and GUID contains full path of that image. So this query will show the information about images stored in your WordPress database. So this is how WordPress manages and stores images in database and uploads directory. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.